I'm going to show you an easy way to add a progress bar to your video in CapCut PC. So to do that, we're going to click on text and drag default text on top of your main clip and then extend it the full width of your clip. Next, with the text layer selected, go up here to the right and change default text to just dash 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 dash. That looks good. Then we're going to say bold and then scroll down a little bit to character right here and then just go -2 usually works. Sometimes you gotta go -3. We'll just say -2. That works. You just want it to be solid. Next, we're going to scroll down a little bit to preset style and I'm going to go ahead and select this one. You can use any one that you want. Next, we're going to go down to scale. Let's make this a little bit bigger. That looks good. And then we'll just move this down to right about there. So next, I'm going to scroll down here on the right side again to stroke. And I'm going to reduce the size of the stroke a little bit just so it's not so thick. That looks good right there. And then the color is white by default. We can change that. We'll go with that color. That looks good. Next, click on the text layer, make a copy, Control C to copy it, and then Control V to paste it, and then just drag it on top of the main one. Then with the second text layer, top text layer selected, scroll down to stroke and deselect stroke, then scroll up and here's the color, right? This is going to change the progress color. By default it's black. Let's change it to green. Next we're going to go up to animation and we're going to look for wipe right. Here it is right here. So find wipe right, select that. So you can see our progress bar is working, but it's really fast, right? So what you want to do is adjust the duration. So for example, this entire video clip is just over 8 seconds. So if I went like halfway, we could try that and you can see it loads. In this case, I'm going to make it go full width of the video clip, so we'll just drag it all the way to the right, 8.9 seconds, and that looks better. So we're pretty much good to go there, but if you want to change the background base color, which is black, just click on the first text layer, and then over here, color, you can change that to anything you want. We'll just go with white. Alright, so now, let's go ahead, bring this back to the beginning, let's go full screen, and let's play this. You can see now we have our progress bar, perfectly timed with our video clip. So that's how to add a progress bar to your video using CapCut PC. If this was helpful, please leave a like and consider subscribing for more tutorials. See you in the next one.